Hi, I'm Ann Gregory, and while you're stuck at home during this COVID-19 pandemic, one good thing you might want to consider doing is checking your windows for wood rot. So we frequently see wood rot on casement windows. And there's a real good reason why. And we see it on windows that are wood inside and out, and we also see them even on clad windows. And it's not that the clad necessarily is failing. It could be that your painter didn't do their job the way they think, and nobody thinks to do this. So one good way, when we sell windows, we tell you you have to paint all exposed wood, and that includes the face of it, the top, the sides, and the bottom. One little trick, you take a handy dandy little hand mirror and you just put it under here, and you can see how that's all painted under there. So no water is going to get up through there and rot that sash. But oftentimes it's not painted there, and that's what starts it, and it's by the time you discover it, it's too late. So check your windows now.